Alright guys, back from the Slimbridge Gardening Club show, Summer Show 2023. Fantastic. I'm putting the video together now. Got quite a lot of video footage and I'm blooming sure this t-shirt worked. People avoided me so I could get in there, you know. Brilliant. Got to do a mega big thank you, big shout out to the people behind the scenes, the ones that set the tables up, dress the tables, get all the sticks ready, get the labels ready, sort out the raffle prizes. You know where I'm coming from. Thanks very much, guys. Little bit of flickery fluorescent light part way through with the cooking video, cooking section. Don't matter, I got some stills at the end, so I think we better get on with it. And I'll show you how I did right at the very end. There's quite a lot of trophies for such a small club, really. Village Gardening Club started in 1942 as part of the Dig for Victory campaign. Still going now, different name, but so we start off with 4 coloured potatoes, then 4 white potatoes, and then 3 varieties of 3 different potatoes. I'm going to put my varieties down at the end. I can't remember them all now. 3 carrots with the tops on. Ooh, best in show there. And 3 parsnips, disappointingly the only exhibit. 3 beetroot. And 2 courgettes. Next is a class of 6 herbs, bunched and displayed in a vase. A bit arty for me, this one. Onions. Now, I'm going to pause this a second. A bit surprising. I was the only exhibitor for the under 225 gram class, no over 225 gram class, only one for the undressed onions, that's to the centre there, and no heaviest onion. And these are normally quite well subscribed. 7 small shallots under 30 millimetres and 7 large shallots over 30 millimetres. Only 1 prize awarded in the heaviest marrow class, and that was Phil. Nice one, buddy. Some weird looking ones there. And the same with the longest runner. Only 1 prize, and Phil got that one as well. Ooh, got to be 3 millimetres in it. 9 French beans and 9 runner beans. Mine were pretty rubbish there, look. Yeah. 2 ridge cucumbers and 2 greenhouse cucumbers. And then we have the table marrows, a pair of those. I've never grown table marrows, maybe something I ought to do. 2 cabbages undressed. I always think they look untidy, undressed cabbages. If I had any worthy of showing, I shudder to think what would be crawling over the table now. 2 leeks. Now, I'm going to pause you again. Quality ones in first place there, but mine second place. Now, I picked those not 36 hours before the show, and the leaves, the flags, they've just gone yellow. And how's that happened? They were outside in the damp. Never ever happened before. Like we keep saying, it's a strange year. Moving on to the 2 lettuce with roots on. Some nice butterhead ones there. That's Phil again, I think. Yeah, Phil, well done, mate. Quality. I can never grow butterhead ones. Don't know why. Truss of tomatoes, varying colours this year. Never specified that before. And the Sharami didn't let me down. Coming up, the Digwell Green Fingers viewers poll. 2 each of 3 different varieties of tomatoes, and you all plumped for different varieties. And I got first place. 6 tomatoes of over 3.5 centimetres. And 6 of under 3.5 centimetres. Some different tomatoes there. Any other veg not in the schedule? They look like bullhorn peppers in the middle there. Not many people put the names of the veg down this year, strangely. 1 specimen bloom and 1 specimen vegetable. Look at those cauliflowers. And that's Lindsay. And the next class is 2 cauliflowers. Look at that. 3 perfect cauliflowers.
Are you still taking?
Yeah, still going. A collection of pumpkins. And a collection of edible flowers. On to the fruits then. Nice stuff to eat. 6 cooking apples. Very good at fruit. 6 dessert apples. And then 6 plums or gauges. God, nice to make. 6 pears. And then a plate of any other fruit. Followed by a collection of fruit. Look at that lot. Whew. And I think the best thing to do with the flower classes is to play a bit of music, because I will get these so back to front. Here we go. I tell you what, I wish I had the time and patience to put these sort of things together. Don't they look fantastic? And the children's classes, under 8s and over 8s. There's some effort gone into these. Well done, guys. I do miss the cooking side of it. It's just, I know it's... Squeeze past that fella. Cheers, mate. And the photography classes with subjects such as Twilight, My Village, Holiday Highlights, Shells, and a monochrome photograph of any other subject. I need to get back in the cookery classes, guys. Look at all those scones. Victoria sandwich. Oh, this is the flickering lights, look. God, look at that. Oat cakes. And then the duck and hen's eggs. Never going to do those. The Slimbridge showstopper. Look at, fantastic. Brilliant, guys. And a fruit gin. Don't tempt me. Lemon curd, chutney, marmalade, jelly and jam.
That's nice enough.
Soda bread. And a cake containing a vegetable. Oh, I've got to get back into this. And the set recipe and ingredients class this year is a Barra Brith. Look at those, lovely. Okay then guys, that's it for the video part of the video. There's quite a few stills coming up towards the end. Here's the prize giving just about to start. And a big shout out to George Tarr at the bottom right there. Been a member of the club since 1989. And he was gifted the honour of handing out the trophies today. Nice one, George. Well, here's the scorecard that I made up for the places I got. I'll tell you what, I'm humbled. There was some very good quality veg there today. I don't envy the judges having to sort these out, I tell you. Here's the 2 trophies I won. Most points in the veg classes and the best overall vegetable for class 6, 3 carrots with the tops on. I'll leave you with some stills now just to show you the rest of the show and, well, catch up with you soon. Take care, guys.